this video, we are taking you along our drive to Milford Sound, one of the most iconic places in New Zealand. Welcome back to our New Zealand travel series. We started our trip from Te Anau, where we stayed the night at Lakefront Backpackers. It was such a cozy place and the view from our room absolutely stunning, right in front of the lake. We even got the Milford room, which felt perfect for this trip. Here's a quick room tour. Nothing fancy but super comfy, and the view made it amazing. The next morning, we hit the road straight to Milford Sound. Just a tip, this road sometimes closes due to weather, so always check the road conditions before heading out. Luckily, it was a sunny day for us, so we had no problems. Along the way, we found so many scenic spots. If you have time, stop and take in the views. Great for photos and videos. One special stop was Eglinton Valley, which was actually used as a filming location for The Lord of the Rings. It's absolutely stunning. We filmed some shots and spent a bit of time here, but a heads up, there are sandflies, so bring insect repellent. Next, we stopped at Mirror Lakes. You have to walk a short path to reach it, but it's so worth it. The reflections on the water were beautiful and peaceful. We continued the drive with stops at Lake Fergus Lookout and a place called Monkey Creek, another breathtaking spot. The weather can change really fast here, so pack layers. Finally, we reached to the Homer Tunnel, which is about 1.2 km long. As soon as you come out the other side, there's the Milford Valley Lookout, and it's unreal. Definitely pull over there if you can. There are Milford Sound day tours available too. If you are not staying overnight, you can still visit on a day tour. But keep in mind, there are no shops or no restaurants on the road, so plan ahead. Once you reach Milford Sound, there's one cafe and an activity center where you can book cruises or other experiences. We had already booked our Milford Sound cruise online before coming to New Zealand, so that made things super easy. That's it for today's vlog. In our next video, we will show you around the Milford Sound Lodge and take you on our cruise experience. So make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Have a nice day.